In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Logitech Unifying receiver on the Rasbian operating system for the Raspberry Pi. This installation can also be similar for a Linux operating system. I'm basically going to be pairing a Logitech K750 solar-powered keyboard and a Logitech M705 mouse that has a 3-year battery life. Before you start, just make sure you have a keyboard and a mouse plugged into the Raspberry Pi. It could be wired or wireless as long as the wireless connection is compatible and it works with your operating system. You're good to go. You're simply going to open up the command terminal for the Raspberry Pi. Type in this command sudo apt-get install solar. Hit the enter button and all the files will install. Once the files have been installed, you can close the terminal window. You're going to go to Accessories, open up the Solar app. You're going to plug in your Logitech Unifying receiver into the back of your Raspberry Pi. Once you've plugged in the Logitech Unifying receiver into the back of the Raspberry Pi, the Solar software will activate. You'll simply click on the menu. Now you're going to pair a new device. I'm going to hook up the Logitech K750 solar powered keyboard first, so I will turn on the button and the device has been paired. I'll press the Windows icon just to verify, and it does work. We're simply going to close this icon. Then I'll pair the M705 mouse. Simply gonna turn the button on and it's been paired, and that's it. Also, if you would like to download the Raspberry Pi Case CAD model, it's available in the description in the link below. You can also go to the GitHub page for the Solar software if you want to get updates.